Business editor Richard Southern joins us. Sales are surging at Tim Hortons, but not everyone is sharing in the wealth, Richard.
No, they're not. Good to see you, Erica. Earnings from Timmy's and its parent company looking pretty good over the past quarter. And, this is a company, Tim Hortons, that has proved to be kind of a reliable indicator about, whether or not we're leaving the house in any big numbers coming out of the pandemic. And sure enough, the earnings from the past 3 months show that commuters are returning to Tim Hortons in big numbers. Sales are up 11% to $1.73 billion, better than expected. Bottom line from Timmy's. However, not all franchise owners are happy, some of whom complain that the cost of ingredients they're forced to buy from the Tim Hortons parent company outpace menu price increases. So basically, their profit margins have narrowed, they complain. Sure enough, Tim Hortons recently revealed that the average Tim Hortons restaurant makes $220,000 in annual earnings. That's about $100,000 less than in 2018. Tim Hortons stock, though, we're stock of the parent company, up 2.75% on Bay Street today, Erica.
All right, Tesla made big headlines not long ago by lowering prices, but now the automaker is doing the opposite here in Canada.
Yeah, so much for that. Tesla hiking prices, but just by a little bit in Canada, with the cost of its Model 3 and Model Y going up $300 Canadian. It also hiked the prices modestly in other key markets like the U.S., Japan, and China. Nonetheless, prices still on average a little bit lower than in January because of some dynamic pricing that the electric vehicle maker offers. Tesla stock has been stuck in reverse. It's down about 18% over the past month, reflecting concern about sales and about the health of the books at Tesla. Stock today fell another percent to $160, Erica.
There is a new movie coming out next week about Blackberry, and all these years later, the Canadian company is still fighting hard for survival.
Were you like me? Were you rocking a Blackberry back in the day?
I definitely was, yeah, on BBM.
Yeah, I had the bell clip. Yeah, the BBM was great. I had the bell clip. The whole works, Erica. Those days are long gone, though. Blackberry today says it's exploring a possible breakup of the company. It's looking at strategic alternatives, including selling off parts of the business. Gone are those smartphone days. Blackberry nowadays is a hodgepodge of different businesses. It is a provider of in-car software to connect vehicles to the internet. It also sells cybersecurity software and provides device management for companies. Blackberry stock has really languished, but was up sharply on this news today, gaining almost 10%. Used to love those BBMs, Erica, the keyboard back in the day.
I loved it. Thanks, Richard.